Milescraft are proud to announce the new PocketJig 200 pocket hole kit. This complete pocket hole system comes with everything you need to start drilling pocket holes for your projects. If you have ever wanted to get started in building your own furniture or create that cool piece of wall art, pocket holes are a great way to fasten projects together without unsightly screw heads or the time that it takes to make tedious joinery. Pocket holes allow you to quickly move a project from start to completion in a relatively short amount of time. The PocketJig 200 base features a rotating fence for either internal or external applications. The kit also comes with a 3/8 inch pocket hole drill bit, collar, and hex key. Along with the bit, you will receive the Milescraft connector that allows you to quickly change between the drill bit and the driver bit. This coupler accepts most 1/4 inch hex shank bits. The hardware and driver bits in the kit are Torx T20, but you can also use the jig with other pocket hole hardware sets. Also included in the kit are pocket plugs, driver bits, and an assortment of screws to get you started. If you are attaching two different size materials, set your jig for the thinnest material. For drilling new construction holes, flip the fence into the downward position. This provides a cleat for you to measure your material thickness against. After finding the thickness, you will need to set the base to the proper position. Simply lift the clamp lever and slide the base to the correct indicator on the side, and clamp the lever back down. Next, you will need to set the stop collar position on your drill bit. Note that you want to reference the main diameter edge of the bit, not the piloting tip. Both imperial and metric common sizes are indicated on the bottom of the jig base. In this example, we are using the 3/4 inch indicator. Slide the collar onto the base of the drill bit. Place the bit into the pocket of the fence and slide it downwards until the main diameter edge of the bit is at the line indicating your material thickness. Use the provided hex key to tighten the collar. The base has a built-in magnet that allows you to use the Milescraft 3-inch face clamp, but any other clamp can be used. You are now ready to start drilling your holes. First, clamp the jig to the material, making sure that the cleat is against the edge. Insert the bit halfway into the drill bushing and start your drill to full speed. Slowly start pushing and pulling until the stop collar contacts the bushing face. Back the drill out and let the bit stop spinning. Please note that on the first use of the jig that some black material may come out with the wood chips. This is perfectly normal due to the tight tolerances that are set in place on both the drill bit and the jig base. A few passes may be necessary. Repeat this entire process until all holes are drilled. You now have your pocket holes completed and it's time to start building. You will need to determine what screws are needed for your project. The kit comes with most common sizes for pocket hole hardware ranging from 1 inch up to 2.5 inch T20 screws. There is also a chart that quickly helps you determine which settings and screws should be used based on your material thickness. While assembling, be sure that your edges are flush and that you clamp the two pieces that are to be joined. This ensures a tight and secure joint. You can also add glue to the joint for extra durability. Most pocket hole applications are meant to be placed out of sight, but if you ever wanted to fill them, pocket plugs can be purchased separately. Simply glue them in place, let them dry, and then sand them flush. Milescraft offers the Sand Devil sanding blocks that can be purchased separately. Now your project is ready for finishing. Not only is the pocket hole jig for new construction, it can be used in repairs as well. Old chairs, tables, and furniture can have pocket holes added to them to fix broken joints. No matter what you want to build, the Milescraft PocketJig 200 will become a valuable tool in your shop. The possibilities are endless. Milescraft, always the better idea.